Hey everybody, it's Jeff G. Holt of V-Twin Visionary, and I'm going to tell you that big inch motors blow up transmissions. I don't care how lightly you think you ride, as soon as you get into the RPMs, man, you start banging on that box. And you know, the stock Harley one has an issue if you abuse it. That's where Baker comes in. We've been putting Grudge box in a lot of bikes lately. The 151 FXR got one. I'm putting one in the Softail. We've just had really good success with the Grudge box. I mean, made in America out of amazing parts, sourced in America. They are bomb-proof. That's pretty much it. Baker has a manufacturing, lineage of making things great and making things shift well and just work, plain work. And can't say enough about that. And we'll be putting this in one of our project bikes, showing you how it all works real soon.